Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how you can enable two-factor authorization in Hostinger. It's a very easy tutorial if you follow every single step. So let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your Hostinger account and you might end up at your home page. At the top right corner, you will see something like this and this is called account. As you can see, once you click on this, you will see the drop down menu and you need to click on security. So once you click on security, you might end up over here and here we have two-factor authentication setup and we have two setup over here. First one is mobile application method and second one is email authentication method. We all know how email authentication method works. They will send you an email to verify your account and which I have already done that. So that's why I'm not going to forward this one. And if you want to go for that, that would be the very easiest way. And if you use Hostinger mobile application, this is the method you can use also. So what happens that once you click on enable, they will provide you QR code which you can scan from your mobile application. After that, they will show you once you scan QR code, they will show you the code which you will need to enter on your website over here. And after that, it will be connected and your two-factor authentication will be done. That's it. This is all you need to know how to do it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.